and we are doing a test of my CCD-TR7 camcorder. Sorry about that. It's just I had a I had a small battery, and it like died while I was already 15 seconds into the video. But this is a test of my CCD-TR7 camcorder made by Sony. And here it is. I look funny holding it this way. There we go. Looks a bit better. There's our Christmas tree. Here's my hoverboard. It's on charge right now, as you can tell by that red thing. Red light. It means it's charging. Here's Amber and Duke. Amber. Hey, Duke. So yeah, I'm doing a quick test of the camcorder before I officially start making videos on it again. And yeah, we're gonna cut the video to about here, and we're gonna see how it turns out.